So this happened. I know what you're thinking. Hold the flaming cheese balls. It's a fidget spinner. Or you might be also getting lit right now like this kid gets lit to Migos. Yep, especially if you're much younger, but you know, back in my days, we got that hella ferocious silly bands. We had silly bands for days. But to tell you the truth, they got out of style faster than the glow up Yeezys. So anyways, I know what you're thinking. Oh, Johnny, why are these fidget spinners so popular? Well, you wanna know what it does? You wanna know what this thing does? Well, first of all, it spins. And that's about it. It spins. Isn't it beautiful? Just take a moment of silence. But thanks to the fidget spinner god, instead of taking his students' fidget spinners, he actually uses them for their own good health. Go. Props to you, man. Well, that's before it inspires students to be a real life fidget spinner.
Come on, Chase, let's do it. No balls.
It keeps going.
I'm a fidget spinner.
I don't know why I found that disturbing, but you know you want to rewind this video and watch it again. I don't blame you. Go ahead. Well, anyways, I have a special guest on today's show. Tyrone, what do you think about these lovely fidget spinners?
I don't give a fire fuck, bro. Like, I'm gonna show you that's what a fire fuck can mean. Imagine a fire fuck.
Well, I hope he'll be fine. So anyways, as you all know, if you are subscribed and been watching my most recent video, I did a Batman giveaway, a gold Batman giveaway, and a regular Batman giveaway. So, the winner of the gold Batman fidget spinner, bam! The winner of the regular Batman fidget spinner, bam! So, congratulations to you guys. And you know, if you didn't win, you probably feel like this dude right here.
All around me are familiar faces, worn out places, worn out faces, riding early for the daily races, going nowhere, going nowhere. Their tears are filling up their glasses, no expression, no expression. Hide my head, I wanna drown my sorrow.
good news. You don't have to feel this way, because obviously with the amazing support from last video, I'll be doing a second giveaway, man. Let's do it, the second giveaway. And you know, just make sure you hit that bell to get notified when I post my next video and see if you're a lucky winner. And obviously comment. That'll give you a way better chance to win a lovely fidget spinner, spinner. This has been Johnny, aka CJ, and have a good day, my cloudy gang. Wow.
Back to school, ring the bell, brand new shoes, walking blues, climb the fence, yeah, books and pens. I can tell that we are gonna be friends.